Let me show you how you can publish Copilot Studio agents here to Copilot 365 and how you can make those agents appear nice looking in Copilot 365. Let's get started. In Microsoft Copilot Studio, we click A. Let's create a sample agent for us to publish in Copilot 365. Up in the upper right corner, we click Create Blank Agent. Then things will be set up. Let me fast forward. That's it. Then let's click Edit here. We can give our agent a name. Let's just call this HR agent. We also want to change the icon over at Copilot 365. That is not this icon. This icon is just what you see here in Copilot Studio. So let's just leave that and click Save. The next thing you want to do, that is in the upper right corner, click Publish here, force newest version, and let's hit Publish and wait a few seconds. That's it. Now you want to click Channels. Here you click Teams and Microsoft 365 Copilot. In the lower right corner, you click Add Channel. Then let's fast forward again. Now we can click See Agent in Microsoft 365. Don't worry, we will customize it. Here you will see that you can click Add, but we still need a nice logo maybe, or a developer name and description. When we click Add here, we will get an error. That's completely normal. You've probably seen it, and that's why you're here in this guide. Don't worry. Let's just close this, go back to Copilot Studio. The trick here is to close this channel here, click Publish again, force newest version, and click Publish. Let's fast forward. That's it. And then you go back to Channels here, Teams and Microsoft 365 Copilot. Click See Agent in Microsoft 365 again. You will see the pop-up that we can add the HR agent. Click Add. And now you will see that it appears here in Copilot 65. But we want to customize it because right now you just see this boring logo, and we want to have your developer name replaced with your or my name. Let me show you how to do that. Back to Copilot Studio. What you want to do is to, here in Teams and Microsoft 365 Copilot, we got there by clicking Teams and Microsoft 365 Copilot, Channels. Then we want to edit a few things. First, we can click Edit Details here. Here we can see that we can change the color and the icon. Let's first change the icon. Here I've prepared a simple logo. Let me find updated HR logo on my desktop. Then we will add it. You will see it here. It needs to be less than 30 kilobytes. I can also see the adjacent color is right now green. That will be the color around the logo in Copilot 365. Let's replace that with a white background. That's it. Then we can have a short description. Here you will type something like, this is the HR agent of Jensen org. We can also add a longer description. I can say this HR agent helps the HR department of Jensen org. I mean, not the longest description, but it's better than nothing. Feel free to replace this. Then you can go down in More, down here. And here we can see that we can add a website, privacy statement, terms of use, and a developer name. My name is Jensen, so I will add that in here. Then you will click Save. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That will really help me and my channel a lot. Before we see the agent in Microsoft 365, we again go back and publish these changes. Let me fast forward. That's it. Then we go back to Teams and Microsoft 365 Copilot. and you click See Agent in Microsoft 365. Then you will see the updated icon here. You will also see that we have the developer name, we have the short description and the long description. Now I can click Update Now. If you did it in one go, you would just see the ad here, but if I click Update Now, then this agent will be updated. Let us fast forward. Oh, well, it came here. At first glance, you will see that only the name changed, but not the icon. Don't worry, this will update. You can also go into all agents. Right now, you will see the old design. Then you will wait like 30 seconds, hit refresh a few times. Now you can see it updated out here. Let me fast forward like 30 to 40 seconds. It will also be updated in here. And now I update it once more, and you will see that it shows up here. You can also see the white border. If you want a complete guide to customizing these agents so they appear and look good and even be able to share it with the entire organization, you want to watch this video. See you.